Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports on this cold winter's day. I can't think of a better thing to do than show you this classic Craftsman chainsaw. It is a 2.2 cubic inch with a 14-inch bar. All the cases are there and intact, no cracks, damage, or repairs. This saw starts very easily and runs great. A very nice chainsaw at an extremely affordable price. We have this set at a price of $74.99. Buy it now. Don't hesitate, buy it now. $74.99. You can buy a brand new saw, a name brand like a Steel or an Echo. It will set you back $300, $400, $500, $600 or more. You can buy this today for $74.99 plus shipping. Be sure to click on the link below for more details and pictures of this fine saw, and to subscribe to our channel. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.